Today, we embark on an awe-inspiring journey to the mesmerizing Angel Falls in Venezuela. Known as the world's highest uninterrupted waterfall, Angel Falls is a true natural wonder that captures the imagination. This magnificent waterfall is located in the Canaima National Park, a UNESCO World Heritage Site in the southeastern part of Venezuela. Towering above the lush tropical rainforest, Angel Falls cascades from the summit of Auyán-tepui, one of the famous tabletop mountains found in the region. With a staggering height of 979 meters and a free fall of 807 meters, Angel Falls creates a breathtaking spectacle as it plummets into the depths below. The sheer power of the cascading water creates a mesmerizing mist that fills the surrounding air. To witness the grandeur of Angel Falls, visitors embark on an unforgettable journey, navigating through the winding rivers and dense forests of the Canaima National Park. The adventure includes an exhilarating boat ride and a trek through the untamed wilderness, ultimately leading to a vantage point that offers an awe-inspiring view of the majestic waterfall. Angel Falls is not merely a sight to behold, it is an experience that stirs the soul. Join us as we continue our journey to uncover the world's most remarkable destinations. Subscribe to our channel for more captivating adventures that will take you to the farthest reaches of our extraordinary planet.